This demo models laminar flow over an isothermal flat plate. Initially, the fluid has a uniform temperature of T infinity and a uniform velocity of U infinity. The plate has a constant temperature of T sub s and is hotter than the fluid. With the velocity radio button selected, the velocity profile inside the velocity boundary layer is shown. Use the slider to change the position and observe the change in the shape of the velocity profile. In addition, the velocity boundary layer thickness is plotted as a function of length along the plate. The slope of the velocity profile at the surface of the plate, or y equals 0, is indicated in the schematic and is plotted in the lower left plot as a function of length along the plate. The local coefficient of friction, C sub fx, which is related to the slope of the velocity profile at the surface of the plate, is shown in the lower middle plot. With the temperature radio button selected, the temperature profile inside the thermal boundary layer is shown, and the thermal boundary layer thickness as a function of length along the plate is also shown. The slope of the temperature profile at the surface of the plate is indicated in the schematic and is plotted along as a function of length along the plate in the lower left plot. The local Nusselt number, Nu sub x, which is related to the slope of the temperature profile at y equals 0, is shown in the lower middle plot. The local heat transfer coefficient, H sub x, and the average heat transfer coefficient between the leading edge and the position of the slider, H bar 0 to x, is shown in the lower right plot. Finally, change the Prandtl number of the fluid with the drop-down menu and observe the effect on the thermal boundary layer thickness.